guys, this is Liz with Mom's Machines, and I just got this new robot from iRobot. It's the Roomba Combo J9 Plus. It's actually the robot vacuum and mop with the clean base autofill dock. That's the dock. So in this video, I'm just going to be setting it up and getting it ready to clean. So I'm going to be filling up the water and putting it on charge. So let's get going.
Here we go.
There it is. It weighs 18 pounds. So the big thing about this, and I wasn't sure about buying this, but I figured I'd give it a try, but it has the vacuum and then the water with it. So as it cleans, it vacuums. If it's a hard floor, it vacuums. And then it goes over and mops. So here is the picture of it on the box. And let's open the box. Okay. A quick start guide, which is really nice. And if you watch my last video, it has the spacing of what is supposed to be around it. This looks like it's just the robot itself. Okay, there it is. With the, I think the power cord is under it. And let's see, these are the mop pads. There's the plug, the full directions, the little side brush, or extra side brush, because there's already one on it. And then, oh, this is the filter, the extra filter. Come on. The extra air filter for the vacuum part of it. Okay, so it comes with two of the brushes. And let's check it out inside. It's a little different because the M6 has the little mop thing here. It looks similar to the S9 Plus. I don't know where it sprays the mop, but oh, I guess that's, no, maybe it sprays the mop there or no here. Anyway, we'll get into it, but I'm just checking it out right now. All right, let's see what the base station looks like. Wow, it's heavy. It shows you on the box how to pick it up. Pick up with both hands. Thanks. Okay. Well, it's got paper on it, and that's going to make it kind of complicated. Okay, so you have to pick it up one from the bottom and one from here. So here you go. It's over here. But if you look back here, it's kind of taped. It's for the bottom, so you can't just lift it off. I don't want to cut the wire. Okay, here's the base station. It's bigger than I thought. Wow. So here's a big thing I got it for is upstairs. Downstairs we have kind of separate. We don't really have much carpet. It's all hardwood, but upstairs we have carpet and hardwood. So I got it so it could vacuum and then mop at the same time. But this is the little shelf that's inside of it. So this is the water. This is the water. You fill that up and that lasts for about, I think they said 60 days. So you fill it up here at the tap water, and I think you can use other solutions besides the iRobot solution. There's a list on their website, and then I think it fills, when the dock's in here, it fills up. So that's the water. And then this is the bag. This is the little bag where all their vacuum debris goes into. That's kind of nice. I like it. And then, of course, if you have extra pads and mop brushes, the mop brushes go in here. The extra vacuum bags go in here, so you don't have to go look for it. That's pretty cool. And you can put stuff on top of it, so it'll dock. So let me just put the vacuum on it. I will plug this up and get back with y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on charge and set it up, and maybe in the next video I'll have it run. So let me do that. And it has the same restraints as the S9 Plus with the distance in front of it. And I like the plug. If you see, it has the place in the back, I'll show you, to put the extra cord so you don't have the cord hanging around. Okay, so I am gonna have to put it in our master bathroom because the hallway is not wide enough. So I've got a hard surface. You have to put it on a hard surface and have room around it. I don't quite have the area around it yet. I can get rid of the laundry baskets, and I have a plug here, so. This is where the pad will go. And it goes in to the base station the way you can see the R. But if you're not sure, you see this is the where the vacuum comes into, and then you can see the terminals. Well, I don't really have good light, but the terminals are back here. So if you look at the base, it'll match up. It's the little vacuum, and then these are the terminals. Those are the terminals. It's gonna go like that. Inside. Okay, so it's always good to read the directions first. So step 1, 2, 3, you plug it in first. Oops. Then you put the thing in. So I'm gonna plug it in. I took it back out. I'm gonna plug it in and then put it in. And it only goes one way. Which is kind of nice. Oops, does it go that way? Yes. And then you don't have to worry about the extra stuff if you want to wrap it around. Cool. Push this in. Wake up Roomba. Place your robot on the charging station by lining up the metal charging plates contacts. After a few minutes, a sound will let you know it's awake. Oh, wait a few minutes. Don't know what this means. Maybe I should shut the door. Okay, don't know. Yeah, there's a light, but I didn't hear a sound. It says it'll make a sound. Wake up Roomba. It'll make a sound after a few minutes. Well, maybe I'm just impatient, so. And then you gotta go and do the app, which I already have the app because I have other robots, but if you don't, you just download the app this way or go into the Apple Store. Okay, let me do that. Okay, well, I didn't get on video, but it just did make a sound like it's starting up. Here is the mopping pad, and it's got this little slot here that slides in. So the way you do it is you fold it in, and it shows you on the directions, the quick start. It shows you really, really well how to do it. So we're gonna put the mopping pad on, and then wake up the Roomba again, which basically says put it back in. And then we're gonna take the water tank out and fill it up. So let's go. So this is the very first time I've ever used this. So you're seeing kind of a candid picture or video of me doing this. So this little slot fits in there just like that. And back down. And it already has the I was thinking you might have to put the bag in, but it already has the bag in here. It's already in there, so you don't have to do it. But the bag, I think on my S9 Plus video I showed you, it slides in there, similar to what that does, but it just slides down into the thing like that. So anyway, that's that. Now, the next step is, let's see, put the Roomba in. And take the water tank out. There's the water tank. Okay. The next step is to fill the water tank. Fill to top with water or compatible cleaning solution. I'm going to just use the iRobot on their website. I think they have what you can use. A lot of compatible cleaning solutions can be found in the iRobot. Oh, in the home app. Okay. Put the tank back in, and then we're going to start the cleaning process. So I'm going to fill this water up, and you just clean it up. And I don't know how much cleaning solution you're supposed to do, but I'm going to fill the water tank up and put a little solution. You just fill it up right there and put it back in. Okay, so I have the iRobot solution, and I have not looked up what other solutions you can use. And then I just have a pitcher of water, which I'm going to pour in, and you can take it to the sink. I just thought I'd just bring it all here. Just pour it and put the solution in. Let's see how good I am at pouring. What I really like about the thing that comes out, you're pouring into a container that's not in the, you're not going to pour all over the electronics. You know, I had an old robot, I think it's a really old one that the iRobot made. I'm not sure. Might have been another company. I think it was called the Scuba, but it was a mopping robot, but you filled the tank up at the robot, and I didn't like it. So that's why I really like the Roomba Mopping M6. So it's like this. It's the tank that comes out. You're not trying to fill the tank up with all the electronics in there. So I'm going to put a little more. I'll probably just add solution and then add a little more water and put it up and put it back in. I'm just going to use the iRobot solution. I have no idea how many capfuls, so I'm just going to kind of estimate it. Ooh. I'm going to fill the rest of the way up. That's up to there, which I think is okay. All right, put it back in the machine. And the cap has these little notches that go here. So you put it on. And it's not like a screw, it's kind of a notch. There it is. All right. Thank goodness it doesn't come with water. So you see the solution's not all the way full. Okay. That's in. Start cleaning. Okay. Okay, I guess I go on the app and start it up. Hey guys, in my next video I'll show the robot actually mopping and vacuuming, which is really, really awesome. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please let me know. Put in comments at the bottom, and thanks for watching.